Chad Schneider and Matt Thomas with the Altitude Group. Today we wanted to introduce you to one of our lending partners, Josh Saenz. Josh, what separates you from the competition?
Yeah, so honestly, I love telling people my mission statement, which is to close on time and provide an incredible client experience. At the end of the day, I always tell people lenders do the same thing. It's a lot of paperwork, it's getting you approved, and so that experience is really the unique piece in something that could be boring and most likely is going to feel intrusive as we ask for information over and over again. So I like to educate my clients along that process. So every milestone, they're getting a video explaining exactly where they're at and some next steps. And a lot of my desire to create a great experience comes out of my personal experience of going through and buying our own home.
So Josh, what exactly do I need to qualify for a loan? How much money do I need?
As far as what you need to qualify for a loan, I always like to use the ICE acronym, ICE, which stands for income, credit, and employment. So we want to see that there is an income that can support not only your debts that you have on a monthly basis, but the purchase of that new home.
Josh, here's a question I get a lot. What's the difference between pre-qualification and pre-approval?
It's a great question. A lot of people have confusion about that. So a pre-qualification essentially means you talk with the lender, you've taken an application, and everything that you've claimed on your application, they say, based on this, you're approved or pre-qualified. To go a step further would be a pre-approval, and that's really when we're looking at documents to see, hey, based on tax returns and pay stubs and bank statements, this is actually accurate, and I'll actually run it through an automated underwriting system to spit out that pre-approval.
So when would be the ideal time for a buyer to start talking with a lender?
I like to tell my clients, after you've talked with your real estate agent, let's get that going as soon as possible, because the last thing that you want to happen is for you to find that dream home and then not even have your finances in order, or even know if you're approved for that. So when I've got clients who are looking maybe a month down the road or even 3 months down the road, I can help them make a plan so that we can work towards maybe increasing their credit score or helping them save additional funds for down payment and closing costs. You really should have a plan in place. But ultimately, whenever you're ready to start looking at houses, make sure that you're doing that upfront underwrite so that you can make a strong offer and everything goes smoothly.